Dash joins omit rows that do not have a match in another table. A high z-score indicates that a data point is dash from the mean. Quartiles are especially helpful in identifying the presence of dash in a dataset. The dash join combines rows that match in the joining field and includes all rows from both tables regardless of whether a match exists. Data merging can be performed in Python using the dash library. A very low percentile, like the fifth, indicates that the data point is dash the majority of other data points. Deciles help in understanding dash across a dataset. A common use of percentiles in education is determining dash benchmarks. Dash is a crucial step before data analysis in ensuring that datasets are correctly aligned. The use of quartiles can help to mitigate the impact of dash on the dataset's analysis.